Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what's in my package from India. Now here is a cute t-shirt which has a minion on it, and this is from Amazon India for my husband. This is super cute, I just love it. These cute forks from Miniso. I just love Miniso and I really miss it. It's there in Canada also, but the stuff is not as cute as it was in India. Look at this cute unicorn headband that I generally use while doing facials. Lots of hairbands and bands. My favorite Lakme lipstick. I just love Lakme. My sister sent a card for my husband, just for him, not for me. It's so beautiful. I'm sure he's going to love this. And here are some letters. Oh, one more. Oh my god, what is this? This is so funny. And there is a lot more stuff. Black salt. I can't find it here, so I asked my mom to send it for me. Some clips and some elastic, and this puja roli kumkum. Lord Krishna's dresses for Laddu Gopal. Lots of them, I think 4 or 5. And some Vicks inhaler. It's so cheap in India, and here it's very expensive, just 5-6 times. So I got these as well. They don't have any much weight, so that's okay. And now here comes BP machine. Sometimes I feel low, so I asked for this BP machine because I already had this at home, so why to buy a new one here? Oh, some spices, cardamom powder. I don't know where to find it here in Canada, so I got this. Lots of Enos. It's very cheap in India. The fruit salt that I generally use in making idlis and cakes. Some Fevikwicks. And this baby saffron. I just love saffron flavored drinks, and I like to put it in my pudding and halwas. Some eye drops. Sells quite cheaper in India. So I got a lot of stuff that is quite cheaper in India but expensive here. Look at this cute keychain. I just loved everything, and thank you all. I'll come soon and meet everyone.